Yo, 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 yo! What's up, peeps? Let's get into some cryptocurrency news.
President of 2017, you guys. This is Shiba. I wrote her in today because I'm telling you she's a better president.
I got a
All right, everyone, let's get this crypto money. Are you ready? Let's make these gains, all right? So, today, what we're going to talk about is a coin called Elongate, all right? So pretty much, I'll put a link to this article, and you guys can read more about what Elongate exactly is. We're just gonna read some of it. So pretty much, let's read this part. Elongate is a crypto initiative that seeks to fuel a social impact movement. The Elongate ecosystem operates by charging reward holders a 10% transaction charge and donating a large amount to charity. All right. Half of the fee goes to the community based on their Elongate token holdings, half to PancakeSwap liquidity pool. Every week, 60% of the tokens collected go to charity. All right. So that is one of the things that stands out so much about this coin. That makes it so different is that it's based on charity donations. And also in this article, if I scroll down a little bit, they talk about as of September 23rd, 2021, Elongate crypto donations totaled 3.49 million. That is amazing, guys. Right here, this coin, I'm a big fan of charity. I'm a big fan of giving back. So this coin, to be honest, holds a special place in my heart. All right, so I'll put a link to this article and you guys can read more about it. So, what else stands out about this coin? All right, so if we go to CoinMarketCap, Elongate is currently ranked at 3,584. It's on 127,000 people's watch list. Currently, the price is 0.0000001047. It's been down 2.15% in the past 24 hours. Volume is currently at 404,000. Self-reporting circulating supply is right here. Now, when we scroll down, we can see that Elongate, its all-time high was back in April of 0.00000109. So practically just taking off 10 from here. So the thing about this coin is when they made it all-time high, April, that was when meme coins were trending like crazy. But then out of nowhere, the whole market started pulling back. All coins, Bitcoin started falling. There was a lot of FUD attack on the community. So it lost momentum. But not just it, the entire crypto space did. And now recently we've been picking up more momentum and this coin has been on the rise. And I really think you guys should look into this one. All right. So as we can see, let's look at the chart real quick. You can see that Elongate pretty much back when it was launched, this was when meme coins first started getting a lot of hype. It went up a lot, had a lot of volume. And then since May, as we all know, crypto has been going down. And so it lost momentum and has been moving sideways. But guys, recently Elongate has been making headways. And as you can see, after consolidating for so much months, end of October, it's been moving up. And guys, we are in the fourth quarter. The last 2 months are when crypto goes crazy. Right now, Bitcoin is currently made another all-time high of 68,000. Ethereum made another all-time high of 4,800. So guys, this is just the beginning. So you have to load up your bags real quick because they go up quick, but they also come down quick too. All right. So now when we look at the markets that Elongate is on, currently it's on PancakeSwap, LBank, Bitmart, and Dcoin. So the team's gonna be adding it to more exchanges. Keep in mind, guys, this is a fairly new project that was launched this year. So you're pretty much being an early stage investor All right, even though it went up a little bit, but it's not that much of a difference. So you still have time to get in if you're interested, but you have to take action quick because as you can see, back when momentum was very high, how far it was, it went up very high. So guys, this is a very good opportunity to make some good gains. All right. So what else stands out about Elongate? All right. Let me show you guys this. So this, I'll put a link to it. So it's basically a Reddit post that I saw where they gave a pretty good summary of Elongate. It was made by this Reddit user 12 days ago. So in the past 6 months, here's some of their milestones. They donated 3.5 million to charity, as we can see from the article. They built a network of ambassadors around the world. They got direct support from Kimball Musk. If you don't know who that is Elon Musk's brother. All right, and I'll show you guys more. All right, and let's see. So we're building a school in Loas. I'm not sure what that is. I'm not gonna read everything. So he also went to post that now we know it's not a rug pull or a scam for a few reasons. Wealth is actually totally decentralized. Top wallet holds less than 2% of supply, so there's not a centralized board of develop developer tokens. All right, it got one of the highest scores by Certic. Team is totally doxed and legit with some serious credentials behind them. All their charity donations are recorded on chain, fully incorporated legally. Team live streams twice a week for the community, talk talking about the project. Right. So I will post this link, and you guys can read more what he posted. But this gave a pretty good, very well summary about this project and why it's so legit. All right, let's look into it further. Here, for those that are worried about rug pulls, this is the Elongate team. So no worries, they're not hiding their faces, all right? So you don't have to worry about a rug pull, all right? Keep in mind, guys, you're in the early stage of a project, all right? Early stage, those are the really rough periods. Don't be a sheep, all right? Do not get in when things have gone up 100x and expecting another 100x. That tends to be hard to happen, all right? You have to get in early. That's how you make the big returns on crypto. High risk, but high reward, right? So this is the team. More pictures of the team. Looks like they're at a conference. And see, they won an award right here for Best Social Impact Project for 2021 Crypto Expo Dubai. So guys, this is not a scam project. So don't have to worry about losing your money. All right. And I'll put a link to this one too, and you guys can read it more. What else stands out? So basically, the Reddit page, as we can see, very big community, 33,000 members, guys. That is very good for a project that's new, up and coming. And it's not even ranked high on CoinMarketCap. Some of the coins that are ranked high in the top 200s don't even have that much members like this. So they have a strong community, and community is what drives the price of projects. All right. So very good, very nice. And as you can see, they are very active. So we have posts from 11 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 16 hours ago. So overall, very active community. All right. So what else stands out? So we are on the BSC scan, right? So currently, Elon Gate has 480,000 holders. Guys, there's a lot of people that see the value in this project, all right? It's a sleeping giant. It is a sleeping giant. This thing will take off, all right? And another reason why it's a sleeping giant, let's go back to CoinMarketCap real quick. Look at the volume. 406,000 guys. That's nearly half a million in volume. And as you can see from the past 7 days, we had back on October the 30th, it was at 7.84 million in volume. guys, this thing right here, seeing so much spikes of high volume shows that there's a lot of interest, a lot of whales, a lot of buying and selling and trading going on. This will go up parabolically any day now. All right. So if you're interested, you have to act fast. All right. What else stands out about this project? So this is their website. Um, so this is the leadership team. I showed you guys their picture earlier. So this guy is the COO, CBO, CPO. So this is a team right here. All right. So I love that the fact that they show the team, they're not hiding their faces. All right. So your money is safe. These are some of the things that they've been featured on. Very nice, legit. And this is some of the donations that they've made. So yeah, so far so good. And the fact that it's a charity based project, that makes it stand out from a lot of other projects out there. All right. So I'll put a link to the website and you guys can check them out more. So what else? Here's another article that was written about them. So pretty much they had a partnership with that they announced recently. So Elongate announces title sponsorship of EB research partnerships. All right. So this is a very big organization that they partnered with, right? And this article came out on November 5th. So this is a recent announcement that came in. And this organization has a lot of connections to big major people. So guys, that is another great reason to look into this coin, all right? So I'll put a link to this article and you can also read more about it. All right. So let's see. So EB is actually having an event on November 18th. So as you can see, Selena Gomez and some of these other celebs. I don't want to say the wrong names, but these are all some of the big celebs that they have connections with. So as you can know, guys, this project right here is a giant. All right. This project is sleeping giant. All right. And then what else? Let's see. So this is the team's Twitter page. They have 133,000 followers. Guys, that is a lot of people, all right? So I don't know, maybe you haven't heard about this project, but man, this right here, I am actually super proud of actually presenting this project to you guys because I think this will give a great return to a lot of you guys because the fact that also the fact that it gives back to charity, that right here, that is what made me so attracted to this project. The fact that they're actually having a purpose and giving back and helping out those in need. All right. So Twitter page, very active. So the team tweeted 5 hours ago, 14 hours ago, back on November 7th, November 3rd, November 6th. So overall, the team is keeping people updated. They're not disappearing. We can see their face, we see their picture, and they've won awards at crypto summits. Man, I don't know, guys. But I don't know. I think you should load up on this one right here. All right. Now, back to what I was saying. So, as we know, Kimball Musk, maybe I mispronounced his name. Sorry about that. But he is Elon Musk's brother. All right. And he's a very powerful business guy in the restaurant industry. As you can see, he said, so grateful to the generous Elongate organization community for their support of Big Green and donation to help us further our impact in undeserved communities across the U.S. Happy Earth Day, everyone. But this was back in April. So this guy is giving them a shout out. As you can see, Twitter page is verified. This guy is giving a shout out to this project, man. This project, guys, if you haven't heard about it, man, you gotta load up your bags on this one. I'm super excited, as you can tell. All right. So here's a picture of him with Elon Musk. So this is the family. I'm guessing that's probably his wife right here or something, and probably their mom. So this is the family. So this is more. Here's another picture. So this is not fake, guys. This is not fake. You're not gonna get rug pulled. So really look into this project. And last but not least, some quick technical analysis. All right. So purple lines are support and resistance. So since basically being launched, this is L Bank we're looking at. It got launched on the exchange back in June. So usually when coins get listed on new exchanges or even like stocks, they do the same thing. Whenever they get listed on the stock market, same thing happens in crypto. There's a big sell off. Why? Because people who were early investors being listed on a new exchange brings more volume. It causes price to go even higher. So they're selling for profit and then they get back in. And plus, summertime, people gave up on crypto. Honestly, there's a lot of negative news. The bears were poking fun at everyone and saying that the bull run is over. So it lost momentum, just like with a lot of altcoins. It went down all the way till end of September, end of July, I mean. And keep in mind, end of July was when Bitcoin started picking up steam again and went from 30,000 to 40,000 very quick. So it's been moving sideways a little bit. As you can see, there's a level of resistance around here that it's been struggling to break through. So once it touches this resistance, it goes back down. But it's always had a strong level of support. So this is pretty much when you see coins moving sideways like that or kind of zigzagging between support and resistance levels, kind of like boxed in, there's going to be a breakout, especially in either direction. It could be up or down. But seeing that this coin, the fundamentals behind it, the team behind it, it was a clear sign there's going to be a big pump up. All right. So, as we can see with this volume indicator right here, volume came in, started coming in. And as we can see, the yellow line is a trend line. Coin started moving up since practically beginning middle of October. All right. So Elongate has gone up very high. It break through the level of resistance. A lot of the resistance, it just ran right through them. All right. Then it hit a wall. It spiked up a little bit. And then on October 30th, it tried to break through this level of resistance, but it went back down again. And it's kind of like, but it created a strong level of support right here. And it looks like it's about to retest that resistance. And you know what that means? Whenever price retests a previous level of resistance, keeps on running, trying to run through it, guys, that is when it breaks out and you see a big move up. And as we can see that back in April, this coin was, if you take off 1 0 from its current price, that is where its all-time high was at back in April. So this coin can go higher. It's shown that. And back in April, it wasn't even on L Bank. It wasn't on all these exchanges. So now it's on more exchanges. It has more volume. Guys, this right here, we've seen that Elon Musk's brother giving them a shout out. We see that they have strong partnerships. They're connected to celebrities. Guys, this project right here, and the fact that it's giving back to the community, is giving back to people that are in need, and it's reinvested, and you can verify that they've given money back. And we can see pictures of the team. We can see the awards that they've won. Guys, this right here is a sleeping giant. I really, 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 really recommend that you look into this project. All right. With that being said, guys, I am out.